Howdy folks, this is Johnny from Satbrothers. So I got a little bit of a cold there, but I just wanted to get this done and tell you guys I'm still working on my program, and I'm getting to my closing parts of the program. And what I really wanted to cover with you guys real quick is, what is this program really about? There's a lot of crazy stuff going out there with AI this, and join my AI group, and when the pricing out there is crazy, $3,000 a year, $5,000 a year, some. That's insane pricing. And let me tell you what my program does, so that you're not fooled into thinking that this is get quick rich crap. Because all of this crap that's out there is crap. So what my program does, it does analysis for you, and it gives you a summary of the company's analysis. All right, it analyzes investor sentiment, reads news articles based on the company to know what's going on with the company. Okay, and it reads the company financials, their profitability, financial health, their growth, example like their earnings per share, P&E ratio, which, by the way, to me, low P&E ratios are good. Okay, and right now we're in a depressed market. This is the best time to have a tool like this, because it's going to help you to make better choices. So no, my tool is not telling you, hey, invest into this. It's narrowing down the legwork for you. That's what my tool does. That's how I was able to pick those stocks that I've been showing out there. The stocks. Okay, I got one at like $4.97. I got one at like $4.92. And you can see how much my $4.92 is doing so far. Yeah, pretty good. And I got about 1,000 shares of each of those. I am doing good with them. And I want you to do the same. Okay, these are just two that I put out there to let people know, hey, my tool is going to work. This is what I'm training my tool to do. Exactly what I do. All right. And by the information the tool returns to you, you make choices as to what you want to invest in. So my tool doesn't tell you what to invest in, all right? But it gives you a good idea of the company background, so that you can make intelligent, educated decisions on your investment. In those $5,000, $3,000 a year freaking to pay for an AI to do this for you, that's insane. That's insane. Okay. The reason that they do that, okay, is because they're literally paying for other markets to do this for them. And that's not what you'll be getting with my tool. With my tool, what's my tool going to do is, it's going to do the research on these companies. Okay, and I use 3 AI specifically. One specifically going to look at investor sentiment. One specifically going to look at news articles and read through news articles about the company. And the other one is going to read the company financials. Is it going to do history? Yes. It goes back 5 years of history for these companies, so that it knows what is the success rate of these companies based on their performance. We're not talking just about financial performance, but we're also talking about these companies promise to perform as opposed to how they really perform. And that's what my AI is going to do. All right, and it's going to be, at a pretty low cost. I'm not going to charge you guys, all this amount of money or whatever, to use my AI tool. You know what I'm saying? I'm not. My AI tool is going to be a lot cheaper than anybody else's out there, and it's going to be a lot less than $5,000. Heck, it's going to be a lot less than $3,000 a year. My AI tool is only going to be $2,500 a year, which is very affordable to most people, especially investors. So the good part about my tool, as opposed to everybody else's, is that everybody's saying like, hey, come and do this and whatever, you know, and then you're already paying for something, and then you're like, whoa, okay. So mine's gonna be a lot better than that. My tool, when I put it out in the market, the first 100 people to subscribe, first 100 people, this is my promise to you, first 100 people to subscribe for the year, okay, is going to literally get the first 30 days absolutely free. So you're going to be paying for 11 months instead of 12 months for the first 100 people to subscribe. Okay, and so at $2,500, and that's literally a savings of like $208 or so. Yeah. So you're going to be saving $200 for the first 100 people, and it is a yearly subscription. All right, and trust me, the tool's going to be well worth it. Okay, it does exactly what it's trained to do, and you guys are going to see it in action. I am going to do a point review before I actually put it out there. I'm going to tell you what my point review is. My point review is I'm going to show everybody on video what my tool can do. Okay, and then you decide if that's what you want done. If that's what you want to go with, because you're going to see and I'm just going to show you one company. It's not like I'm going to give you a list of companies. Hey, freebies. No, because I know my tool works. I'm 100% positive of my tool. And that's because I'm educating the AIs to think like I do. And I'm really successful at what I do. Okay, I don't have all those guys back there for nothing. Okay, I know what I'm doing. And so therefore, that is what my tool is going to do. And here's the really, really, really top notch about my tool. All right, there's no learning curve. Zero learning curve. You don't have to go and the setup with this and the setup with that, and I have to do this thing, and you don't got to do anything with my tool except one single thing. Say that I'm a regular blue collar guy and I'm gonna go do some investing, okay, and I say like, man, I can only afford, stocks that are worth $5 a piece. That's all I can afford. I ain't got that much money. I work a 9 to 5 like everybody else, and maybe I might be able to buy 1,000 shares at like $5, but that's all I can afford, $5. And all you got to do is go to the tool and you say, find me all companies, or you can choose by sector if you want. That's up to you. It's going to have sectors if you want to do that, or all. It's that simple. Either all, through all types of sectors, it doesn't matter. Just search all companies, or through just say you want the tech sector, and that's what you want to look for. But $5 is all I can afford. So my range is from $5 to $5 because that's all I can afford. I can only afford $5. Okay? And my tool will go out there and boom, it'll go to work. It's going to go to work. And trust me, there ain't that many stocks out there. It doesn't take a million years for this thing to go out there and search every single stock out there and give you a top 10 list of the top 10 companies that have a probable of growth. Okay, and it gives you the statistics. It gives you the financial of the company. It gives you a summary of what people are talking about the company out there in the news. And it gives you the last 5-year range up to date of all investor sentiment. You know, with this type of information, you can't go wrong. So anyway, I just wanted to give you this briefing. I hope that you guys really go with this tool, because it's really going to give you the power in your hands to be able to make good choices. You know, remember, the choices are still in your hands. Okay, I am not giving you financial advice, and neither is my tool. It is simply a tool to collect company information for you to make your own decisions on what you want to do with that information. Just remember that. All right. So anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Keep watching for more. Keep an eye out for good stocks. So for the moment, Johnny from Satbrothers, you guys take care out there. All right.